So I just want to share a little bonus footage as to actually why you need to clay your vehicle. So the sides of the vehicle are the heaviest contaminated parts of your vehicle, especially from the belt line down. And if you don't feel you need to clay your vehicle, then just listen to the different sound that the clay mitt makes moving from top to bottom. Now this is the top of the belt line, just below the window at the height of the door handle, where there's very little contamination. You can tell the clay mitt is nice and quiet as it glides over the surface. Now let's move a little lower to the middle of the door panel. Can you hear that scratch? Of course, I use the word scratch liberally. We're not actually scratching anything, but you can hear the sound of the clay mitt gliding over those contaminants. And now we're nice and smooth, nice and quiet. And now let's move to the lowest part of our door panel, the rocker panel. And of course, hopefully you can hear that. Very aggressive sounding. Those are all the contaminants on your paint being polished off, being sheared off by the clay. And now our panels are nice and smooth from top to bottom. So the rocker panels in the lower part of our door panel is just as smooth and quiet as the top portion. So as we take a look at our clay mitt after we've clayed the whole vehicle, we can really get a good look at all the dirt and grime that was bonded to the paint. And remember, this level of contaminants on the paint cannot be removed by simply washing the vehicle. Even the highest alkaline car wash shampoos won't even touch this kind of dirt and grime. So once you've removed all these contaminants from the paint, not only is your surface going to be 10 times smoother, but it's going to be 10 times cleaner. And that means whatever protection you put on the surface, say a wax or a sealant, it's going to bond so much better and it's going to last a lot longer. So I hope you enjoyed this bonus footage. Now get out there and get yourself a clay bar or a clay mitt. Preferably, if you're like me, a good clay mitt. See you next time.